Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This video is quite special as I'm sharing my grandmother's, or as we say in Macedonian, Baba's recipe for Burek. This dish always reminds me of my childhood. Burek is basically a filo dough stuffed with various fillings. Of course, the recipe calls for an onion. In this case, it's 1/2 yellow onion finely chopped. To this we're also going to chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Of course we need to keep it traditional with a ceramic bowl. The main ingredient is ground beef, about 1 pound. A higher fat ratio is preferred, like 85% lean and 15% fat. Then add the garlic and the onion. Add a nice pinch of salt. Let this cook on medium heat for around 15 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Paprika powder will add a nice smoky flavor and a nice color. My favorite spice of all time is vegeta, an all-around mix of dehydrated vegetables. This literally works on anything. Add 2 layers of filo dough and brush with olive oil and spread out the mixture. Then you can roll the pastry sheet into a roll. Add this to your cooking vessel and brush with olive oil. This will create a nice crisp top layer. For this batch I made 2 large rolls, enough for 3 or 4 portions. If the roll breaks, don't worry, just patch it. Into the oven it goes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes until the crust is browned. This dish is perfect as a side along with some feta cheese, olives and a salad. Enjoy!